Hi everyone, welcome back to Senior Tech Central. Today, we're reviewing the Nest Thermostat and why it's the best thermostat for senior citizens looking for tech advice. First, let's dive into the key features of the Nest Thermostat. The Nest Thermostat is incredibly easy to use. It has a large, clear display that shows the current temperature and allows you to adjust it with a simple turn of the dial. Unlike traditional thermostats with tiny buttons and confusing menus, the Nest Thermostat's interface is designed to be user-friendly. Now, let's talk about energy savings. The Nest Thermostat learns your schedule and preferences. For example, if you typically leave the house at 8 a.m. and return at 5 p.m., it will adjust the temperature to save energy while you're away. Over time, this can lead to significant savings on your heating and cooling bills. Imagine reducing your energy bill by 10 to 15% without any extra effort. One of the standout features is remote control. You can adjust the temperature from your smartphone, tablet, or computer, no matter where you are. This is especially useful if you're coming home early or staying out late. Imagine being able to warm up your home before you even get out of bed on a cold morning, or cool it down on a hot day before you walk through the door. Safety is another important aspect. The Nest Thermostat can send alerts to your phone if your home gets too hot or too cold. This is particularly important for seniors who might have health conditions that make temperature regulation crucial. For instance, if the temperature drops to low during winter, the Nest Thermostat will alert you, helping you prevent potential health risks like hypothermia. Now, let's go through the installation process. Installing the Nest Thermostat is straightforward. There are many online guides and videos that provide step-by-step instructions. Most users find the installation process takes about 30 minutes. However, if you're not comfortable doing it yourself, you can always hire a professional. The Nest Thermostat is compatible with most heating and cooling systems, but it's a good idea to check compatibility before purchasing. Once installed, operating the Nest Thermostat is a breeze. You can easily set your desired temperature by turning the dial. If you want to dive deeper into the settings, the menu is intuitive and easy to navigate. You can also use voice commands if you have a smart home assistant like Google Home or Amazon Alexa. Let's also talk about some additional features that make the Nest Thermostat a great choice. The thermostat has a feature called Home Away Assist that uses sensors and your phone's location to determine if you're home or away. It automatically adjusts the temperature to save energy when you're not home and makes sure your home is comfortable when you return. Another great feature: when you adjust the thermostat to an energy-efficient temperature, a small green leaf icon appears on the display. This simple visual cue helps you make more energy-conscious decisions. For those who like detailed information, the Nest Thermostat provides energy history reports. You can see how much energy you've saved over time and get tips on how to save even more. This can be accessed through the Nest app or online. In summary, the Nest Thermostat is a fantastic choice for seniors. It's easy to use, helps save on energy bills, and offers smart features for added convenience and safety. Whether you're tech-savvy or just getting started with smart home devices, the Nest Thermostat is designed to meet your needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. We regularly post content designed to help seniors make the most of technology. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Senior Tech Central.